Hi everyone, welcome back to Baby Steps to Your Best Life Yet, a 21-day cleaning challenge where we are going to be building some simple cleaning habits into a daily routine designed to help you get your home clean, clear and under control in 21 days. If you're new here, be sure to check out the link in the description of the video that I've posted explaining the 21-day challenge, along with the videos that I've uploaded each day showing how I tackle each of those daily cleaning tasks. Okay guys, so following on from yesterday's fridge declutter and organize, today we are going to be finishing off the fridge by giving it a nice clean and wipe out. Now, as always, you can go as hardcore or as simple as you want. If you just want to do a bit of spot cleaning, that is totally fine. Remember that the aim is to spend around only 21 minutes each day on each task and not to let it get overwhelming and not for it to be a huge job that you just dread doing and that you put off. Keep it to a really manageable time frame and you'll definitely be able to keep on top of all your cleaning tasks. No matter how clean your fridge looks, there's always some degree in grossness that you need to take care of. Spray any cleaner on the cloth rather than directly in your fridge. In fact, on a lot of fridge manufacturers' warranties, they say that you shouldn't use any cleaner on there, just using warm soapy water.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way.
I love using this on my fridge. It's just vanilla scented cleaner. It's non-toxic obviously because it's for the fridge and it just leaves a really nice vanilla smell. My kids always comment that this fridge smells so lovely when I use it, but again, just use it like spraying it onto a cloth. Even though my fridge wasn't super gross, it still needed a nice wipe out. So it's still, it got the benefit of having a nice wipe over. It honestly doesn't have to take all day. You just spend as long or as little time you have available to do it, but just maintaining it regularly. On Fridays, I give my fridge a clean out because that's the day that I place my online grocery order. And then on either Sunday evening or Monday before my groceries come in, I'll just give it a little quick spot clean. So I'll do a declutter and go through on Friday and then just try and use up as much leftovers and produce from the fridge as possible on the weekend. And then before the grocery order gets put away, I will go in and wipe it out and give it just a quick spot clean. That way it's always being maintained so that when it does come time to kind of take everything out and do it, it's not an all-day job or a 2-hour job. It can literally be done in 20 minutes. And honestly, when you are working with perishables in your fridge, you don't want to leave them out of the fridge for more than 20 minutes anyway. So get cracking. The other thing I'm going to do today, I'm going to line the container that I put meat in just with some paper towels. That is just Freddy's stuff at the moment, but if ever I have meat on Mondays, that is the container that I always put just fresh meat in. and then it's all contained, so if it drips, it is all contained in this plastic container. All my fridge bins are the InDesign or InterDesign. They're called different things in different countries. I got mine from Big W ages ago, but you can get them from Amazon, Howard Storage World, Container Store. They're really great quality and they've lasted me for years and years and years, so definitely recommend those. This is an InDesign egg container as well. Always get lots of comments and questions about that. It does have a lid that goes on top, but I just leave it underneath, sitting like that. These skinny ones are also InDesign. They're, I think, designed for like soft drink cans and things like that, but I just use them for condiments and jams and things. And I'm really trying to cut down on the amount of condiments that we have in the fridge at the moment. I just think there's kind of too much open at once, and I would ideally like to get it down to either all fitting in the door container or all fitting in here.
Bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one. Love of mine. Love of mine.
Be like leftovers up there. This is just some ginger that has kind of dried out a little bit, so I'm just bringing it back to life in some cold water in the fridge. If ever you have any wilted veggies or anything, pop it in a little container of water and put it in the fridge, and 9 times out of 10 it will just pop back to life. And now that that is sorted out, fruit and veggie bin.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
Honestly, don't make extra work for yourself. If it's really not needing cleaning, don't take everything out just for the sake of cleaning it. Just kind of maybe get around and get in the edges. And if you find that you get lots of drips, like with milk and everything, or whatever you keep in the door, I know a lot of people keep their milk up there because apparently it's the coldest part of the fridge. Just line it with some paper towel if you find that helps.
All night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
Okay guys, so that's it. We're done with the fridge. It was not a big job to do, especially if you split it into 2 days and did your decluttering and getting rid of all of the, nasty expired produce or food or whatever you've got to get rid of. Get rid of that on your first day and then just go through and kind of give it a nice kind of shuffle around and organize. And then on day 2, you can spend your 21 minutes just giving it a wipe down as much as you have got time for, as much time as you want to spend. If you want to go overboard and take everything out and wash every single nook and cranny, go ahead and do that. If you want to add the freezer as well, do that. Mine is in pretty good shape. In my freezer, I've just got the top drawer and then some 2 bigger drawers, and I dedicate this top drawer for ice. I've showed this since 2015, since my sorted 2015 thing. We just go get a big bag of ice from the convenience store and just pop it in there. If you've got a drawer like this and it has like holes in the base like mine, you can either line it with a plastic tray or a placemat or even like parchment paper or alfoil or whatever. It just makes it so much easier to use ice from a convenience store at, I think it's like $3 or $4 a big massive 5 kilo bag, rather than use this piddly little ice cube maker.
I've been dreaming all night.
And then in the freezer, I've just used kind of some storage containers to keep everything sort of organized and separated somewhat. I need to drop these off to the recycling for the coffee pods. And then again, just some plastic baskets just to keep everything kind of contained and nice and neat and organized. But I know it's quite clean and organized in there. I don't need to go through and do my freezer as well. So guys, that is it for today's challenge. Again, it doesn't take long if you regularly maintain it. So it was really quick and easy to just whip through and give it a really nice wipe down because I take the time and regularly maintain it on a weekly basis. And maybe, you know, you think, oh, I don't have the time to do it, but you got to have the time to do it sometimes. So you may as well make that effort and just do it, be disciplined and just get it done on a weekly basis. So then it doesn't get built up to a disgusting mess that takes forever and a day to clean. So guys, that is it for today's challenge. If you're enjoying this series so far, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I will leave a link in the description for the video I filmed explaining the 21-day challenge, along with all of the videos that I've uploaded, one per day so far, showing you how I've completed all the tasks as well. If you want to follow along in real time and see how I keep up to date with all my cleaning, come over to Instagram, where I usually just put some little clips up every day of what I'm cleaning or what I'm organizing or what I'm doing behind the scenes, and you can follow along there. Have a fabulous day, and I will see you tomorrow for another cleaning challenge. Bye everyone.
In the palm of my hand, if you want it bad, better listen now.
You're gonna suck off another cleaning challenge.